Gerald, but they call me Jerry, and on the job they call me Arkie. I had bilateral hip replacement. I was 6 foot when they measured me downstairs. I'm about 289 pounds.
You have an athletic background, an active background.
Yeah. Football, I went to high school, ran track, shot putter, wrestled. See, I was in Aikido. I was an Aikidoist as well as having my own art. I was also in Judo and Subakdo. I was dancing. I was a ballet dancer as well. 2003, I stopped doing anything I did that I thought would put wear and tear on this hip. Everything wasn't a thing that was not affected. Walking into the kitchen to get a glass of water, going to the restrooms. I plan on maybe walking to Disneyland with my daughter. She's a ballet dancer. When she was a child, she had premium passes. She went whenever she wanted. Sometimes we just ditch school and go to Disneyland so she could have fun that day, you know. When we get these, I said, I guess we're going to Disneyland. I want to take the kids to dinner, walk in there, sit down without my cane. I want to drive somewhere to see some friends. I might start doing the martial arts again, but I didn't know if I was allowed to or not.
No, you can. Absolutely.
Then I might start doing some low blocks and some basic stuff in my room again, you know, and just getting back with it.